classmates. Today I will talk about the difference between the clownfish and our owl. Let's start. Table of content. What is an owl and a clownfish? Physical different in their habitat, their food. Now I will talk about what is an owl. An owl is a nocturnal bird of prey up to 70 cm tall with a large and brown head, two tufts over the ear, larger round eyes in a frontal position, a hawky break, strong claws, and a stuffy body. Its plumage is usually brown, which include over 200 species of mostly solitary and nocturnal birds of prey. By an upper extent, a large brown head and binocular vision. Binocular here. Now I will talk about the clownfish. It's a small marine fish which is part of the coral reef landscape of the Indo-Pacific Ocean. It is characteristic by its extensive orange and white color bordered by a thin black strip line together with another. I will talk about the physical difference. All animal species: genus Bubu, genus Aesio, genus Glanchu, genus Misuku, and genus Pesucos. Anatomy: all actually have a field of view around 110 degrees, with about 70 degrees of binocular vision. They can turn their head around, even upside down, an amazing ability of their anatomy that fascinates people. They also have three eyelines, two at kill to protect the eye. Their beaks are very sharp and powerful. They use as a method of defense as well as to help their prey. Now we talk about the clownfish animal species. There are 30 species of clownfish, but there are 5 best known species are Amphirium pale, Amphirium clary, Amphirium hakim. Anatomy: the color of the body depends on the species, but tend to have yellow, red, pink, orange, and even black tones, and this black protects them. Now I will talk about the difference in their habitat. Now I will talk about clownfish are native to Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean. They inhabit in native water, which include the Great Barrier Reef in Australia and the Red Sea between Africa and Asia. They live on free at a short depth. Most live in or around the animals of this reef side that provide a good refuge from predators. Now I will talk about the preferred habitat of owls are wooded, but the vegetable of this it is not very dense. Other side they could hardly fly in search of prey or observe it. 95% of true owls are forested, and of owls the majority also prefer them. Although there are no exact figures, many species are also found in forests and grasslands. But of course, each species has a specific habitat. due to its developed sense of sight, and here it is tend to hop at night, finding mostly on lizards, rabbits, spiders, insects, snails, worms, other birds, and sometimes fish. Once it catches a prey, it does not shoot it, but inside rip it open and slowly eat it direct. It is also come up from there. Talk about their food. The owl is a carnivorous and tend to hunt prey that is smaller or nearly the same size as it itself. Now I will talk about the food of clownfish. They are omnivorous fish and consume wide variety of food, including like algae and some small mollusks and crustaceans. Their plant food is 40% of benefit invertebrates, 44% are omnivore. They are birds of prey because they feed on living things such as fish, insects, mice, lizards, and other animals.
Hello everyone, we got a photo greet you. The topic that I will talk about today is the difference between wild animals and farm animals. Comparison between a bear and a dog. What are they alike? They are both animals and make sound. They both have eyes. They are birds. What are the difference between them? The bear has 2 legs. The dog has 4 legs. The bear is from the bear family and is oviparous. The dog is from mammal family. The bear has feathers. The dog has hair. Both have different habits. Thank you.